In this video, you will learn how to disconnect a bank account in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, of course, you will need to have a connected account. And as you can see, I have one right there. So what you want to go and do is click on bank transactions right here. For me, it's under bookmarks. If it isn't right here, you can just click on the search icon in the top right. And then here you can simply search for bank. And then you should see bank transactions right here. So go and click on that. That will take you to your bank transactions, and from here what you can do is click on the edit icon in the top right of the bank that you want to remove. So I've got this one, and then here click on edit account info. So now you will see this. Now here you can see connected to, and then it will say your name and bank. Now you can click disconnect this account on save, and then you can click save and close. And now you will have disconnected your bank account from your QuickBooks Online account. So that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.